Hey my beautiful people, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I thought why not jump on and show you guys how I make this necklace holder. I ended up making this necklace holder a couple of years ago and I posted it on my Instagram page, and I had a few friends ask me where I got it from and I said, well, actually I made it. So I thought why not hop on and show you guys it. It is super simple and easy and quite effective. But when I did last do it, I'll post a picture here. When I did it last, I ended up getting these cute little pins just from my $2 shop. So this time I decided to hop on AliExpress and get some cute little crystal gems just to pop on. They're like little knobby things, they're quite cute. So I ended up getting them super cheap, and I just picked up my picture frame from my local home store and a glue gun, and that's basically all you'll be needing. So let's get started. I have my frame, I have my hot glue which is warming up, and I have the little knobs. I'm going to try and do this without using my tripod. Now you can use a ruler and a pencil to measure out where you want to put the knobs on the top, but me, I'm just going to freehand it. So basically just kind of working out where you want to have them positioned. So once you've got all the knobs in the position that you want, I've gone through and added 2 on. I'm going to grab the knob, turn it over, and basically just add glue, a generous amount into the middle. You don't want to go around the sides, because when you do go to push it on to the frame, it does squeeze out. So just pushing it down. Thanks so much for watching, my lovelies. I really hope you enjoyed this little DIY tutorial. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Have a lovely week. Until next time, my lovelies. Bye.